There are a few reasons why you'd want to use link masking, and I can think of no better reason than to earn more money. There's a revenue stream, and I can almost guarantee this if you're just starting out. There's a revenue stream that you're likely not making the most of. In fact, and I wouldn't mind betting that 90% of everybody watching this video doesn't do it at all. And it's actually really easy. It's like the ultimate in passive income. As you go about your daily life, it's like somebody just turning up at your door, and when you open it, they just give you money. Starts off small, but it keeps happening every month. Every month they turn up, they give you money. And the amounts they give you, they just keep getting bigger. And if you do it right, you don't even need to sell. If you go about it the right way, your customers, they'll love you for it. And you make money without even trying. If there's a software you use, a service that maybe you subscribe to, an online tool that you recommend, what you should do is sign up as an affiliate and then earn money from your recommendations. And if you use Kajabi, taking advantage of this using link masking, it's easy. It takes like 30 seconds to set up. Now, there are two ways you can use link masking in Kajabi, and it's so easy to set up. But before I tell you more about it and how to set it up, there are two parts to this, two reasons to use it. So even if for whatever reason the first scenario, say it doesn't fit, the second reason to use this suits pretty much everybody, and it will 100% make you more money. Okay, so first scenario. If you've got an audience who you're selling to, you're engaged with on, say, social media, YouTube, you're sending out emails to, people you've got any kind of contact with, there are going to be times when you mention a service that you use or a product you recommend, maybe a piece of software that saves you time, something that's going to really help your prospects. There's no harm in signing up to be an affiliate and then earning a little bit of commission as passive income on the stuff you recommend. The commissions on an individual sale, they may seem small at first, but then comes the magic of passive income and compounding. If there was ever anybody who understood the power of making passive money work, it's this guy, Warren Buffett. Warren said compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. As your business grows, all these small amounts, they combine and they just keep compounding. And all of a sudden, these small amounts become significant. But before I show you a neat little trick to make this real easy to do in Kajabi, let's get the obvious out of the way. If you're recommending something, 100%, it's got to be because you believe it's the best product to recommend. You should never recommend something because you're making money from it. That can't be the reason. There's nothing wrong in making money from products you do believe in, that's fine. But recommend them because you believe in them, not because they pay the highest commission.
Don't be evil.
Anyway, that out of the way, let's get on to the practical part. You've seen affiliate links before, and they are really ugly. They look like this. Wouldn't it be so much better if they look like this? So much easier for your customers to remember. So much easier for you to say on video. This is where link masking comes in. And here's how you do it. First, I'll jump into Kajabi and set up a new page. So here under website, I want pages, and then landing. And then here up at the top, we want new landing page. And for this, all we need is a totally blank page. So I'm going to select that, blank, click preview, click get started. Got to give it a title. Now, this is only an internal title. And let's say I'm creating a masking link for my affiliation with Canva. So I'll call it a suitable name, Canva redirect, and then hit create. Now, even though we asked for a totally blank page, Kajabi has actually given us some elements. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select those, scroll down here, we'll delete that block. I'll select that, delete that block, click save. There we go. Now we've got a nice clean page. Now first what we're going to do is add a text section, and you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to come up here to the left, I'm going to click add content, and then I'm going to come down here to text, select that. Now we don't actually need any text at all as such, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to the source code icon, that's that little icon there, I'm going to select that. I'm going to highlight all the text, I'm going to delete, and I'm going to click OK. And to save the changes, I'll just hit save. What we're going to do now, we're just going to paste in a little bit of code, a bit of JavaScript. And I've linked to this code below this video, so you can just cut and paste it in if you like. So we're going to paste in our JavaScript code. Now I've already copied my code to my clipboard. So to paste it in, all I've got to do is come over here, click on source code, and then paste. So you can see here where it's got yoursite.com/yourpage.html. What we're going to do in here, everything that's there in between the quote marks, and it's really important that you leave the quote marks in, that you don't accidentally delete them, because if you do, it won't work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and grab my Canva affiliate link that's there. I'll just copy that, jump back, highlight the text inside the quotes, remembering to leave the quotes, and then paste it. When I've done that, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click Save. And then if I come up here to the top and I click Preview, watch what happens. You can see that page loads almost instantly, and it sends me to Canva using my affiliate link. So if any of my customers use that link, and if they do buy, I earn a commission every month. But we're not done yet. We need to make a quick change to the page. So I'm going to jump back to Kajabi, and I'm going to come back, all the way back to the Pages section, and there at the top is my Canva redirect page. I'm going to come over here to these three little dots. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select Edit Details. Now what I want to do, I want to change this name here, where it's got Canva-redirect. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take out redirect, so it just says Canva. Then I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save. So if I'm presenting or talking to somebody, I can say, hey, I've got a link for that. Just visit coursebuildersacademy.com/Canva. Now, the reason why it's got Kajabi-partner in here and not Course Builders Academy is because for the purpose of this lesson, what I've actually done, I'm using my partner's account at Kajabi, which is a clean account. It's not all cluttered with all the pages and stuff that I've created over the years. So what it will say in your case, there it will have your domain name /Canva. So I could just say, I've got a link for that. Visit coursebuildersacademy.com/Canva. Now, while we're on this page, something else that I like to do, if we just scroll down here a little bit where it says SEO and social sharing, if you ever want to share this link on, say, social media, what I'll do, and you'll see why in a minute, I'm just going to give it a title, pop in a description, and then down here, what we want to do is choose a social image. So all I'm going to do is I'll select that, upload a new file. I'm going to drag a file in. That's there. Click Save. And then we'll save the page. And now if we come up here and we copy that URL, and then I just jump over to Facebook and paste it in like I'm going to share it, that's what people will see if it's shared on social. Now, before we get on to the second way we can use this, if you're getting value from this lesson, let me know. Hit the like button, maybe even subscribe. Click that bell thingy. Don't forget the bell. Anyway, the second way, and in fact I used this myself the other week. I was invited as a guest on this talk radio show where I spoke about becoming a digital entrepreneur, and at every opportunity, and you should be doing this, you should be doing this too, at every opportunity you should be selling. So I did. And here's what I did. Rather than just saying on air, go to my website and then hope that some of the listeners, they find the sales page and then they buy, which is what most people on podcasts do, drives me crazy. You should always be selling. Take the opportunity. Ask for the sale. So I wanted a URL that I could say on air that would make sense and would be really easy for listeners to remember. So rather than me just duplicating an offer page and all that, all I did was I created a quick page with a redirect script like the one I've just shown you. And then I pointed that towards my regular sales page. Sold a ton of stuff because the URL that I gave, it was super easy to remember. There we go. A quick lesson on link masking and redirecting people by using Kajabi. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped. Until next time, bye for now.